Good morning. Look who we've got over here. She's here. This iMac is kind of making me reflect on the past few years. You know, when life was simpler in a way. So, you know, I unboxed the iMac in the middle of a cornfield. I'm not going to be doing this time because the only improvement with this iMac is the new M3 chip, which is super exciting as well. We only do those types of things when it's truly something special. I'm not saying this isn't special, but you know what I mean. Don't you ever like look back in your life and it's like, I kind of miss those times. I'm not saying that, you know, I want to go back, but I definitely miss simpler times, you know? As a YouTube channel evolves, as a business evolves, and you've got more people and more money and more products and more brands, it makes you reflect, like, is the pressure worth it? Is everything that comes with scaling everything worth it? Okay, here we go. iMac M3 unboxing, of course. Of course I got it in yellow. Bruh. Woo-hoo. Here it is. It is so lightweight. I always forget on how light this thing actually is. All right, so before we unbox the actual iMac, what do you get in the box? You get paperwork, and is it just me or is this iMac sticker different than the previous generation? I feel like this one is a little bit more gold instead of yellow. And here's my favorite part about it, the braided magnetic power cable, which actually comes in yellow as well. With the iMac, you also get an Ethernet port over here, so it doesn't have to sit right in here. It's such a great idea. You also get accessories. You get the Magic Mouse, which has been throwing out a lot of debate because it doesn't come with USB-C. We've also got a beautiful yellow lightning cable, a beautiful lightning, not USB-C, Magic trackpad. I absolutely love the color matching accessories. You also get Touch ID on it. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. You know what my favorite thing about this iMac is? That sure, I mean, it is for desktops, but it looks so good on living rooms. Actually, my previous iMac lived in my living room in my previous apartment. And the white bezels, they don't get hate, but people prefer black bezels, some of them. I'm team white bezels. What are you? What are you, black or white team bezels? Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to talk while I am. So as I said, the power cable is magnetic, so you simply literally snap it, and that's it. I'm receiving a package later on that basically my dream of all time was to collab with Apple. Check. And this next brand is sending me a package that is literally arriving today. So yeah, I'm just pretty excited about it. Which, by the way, the first generation M1 iMac is actually living in Chenya's studio. I mean, look how good it looks. It's so freaking beautiful. As you can see, the design didn't change from the M3 iMac in the living room with the M1 iMac. It is exactly the same. Also, little update on Chenya's studio. Look how cute everything is looking. That's us with the elephants in Thailand. She put this wardrobe for her purses. She's still getting that done. This cool mirror. It's getting done. Slowly, but it's getting done. Okay, I've got a very exciting meeting in 2 minutes, so I'm super excited. I can't tell you who it is, but trust me, it's like top. A lot of really exciting things that I can't share with you. I think 2024 is gonna be like a crazy year. The iMac's camera, by the way, this little camera right here is so freaking good. I absolutely love it. I mean, The iMac overall is just such a good desktop computer. I just recommend it for so many families. I'll tell you later all the reasons that I think people should buy an iMac. It's not for everyone, but for certain types of people, it's just a must-have. All right, let me get in the business call. Hola? Package is coming. If you want to see reality at the Lemon home, this is reality. Packages. Packages. No matter how big or small, what's inside of here is the beginning of something that is a dream come true. Working with my favorite fashion brand in the world and them believing in me and them sending me something. I don't know what this is. They sent me a happy birthday card. I mean, come on, it really doesn't get any better than this. So Lacoste, yes, I'm collabing with Lacoste, and they sent me a birthday present. They sent me a belt. Okay, how do I look? Ooh, Moment, thank you. Moment is always treating me so well. They sent me, I didn't know they were sending me this. I don't know if this is a birthday present or not, but Moment, thank you. They are lenses for the iPhone. You know those days that you've just got so much work to do, so much, and you don't even know how to start, and then you open, your reminders app, your to-do list of choice, and the list is so long. That's me. Okay, we're dropping everything off somewhere, which is another thing that I can't tell you, but all of that stuff is going somewhere. I'm sorry, it's hype. Just a tiny bit of hype. It deserves the hype. Trust me.
Sometimes love is a dance of the dark.
Si no hubiese caído de verdad,
Spinning, laughing, twirling.
Sí, això, vull veure la repetició de què collons m'acaba de passar. No, perquè això es para una miqueta.
Hey. Next to rock like Mick Foley, it's Nick Joby, kill him softly, play that shit slowly. On the keys like Tony, throwing subs, they get toasted about.
The activity rings are rolling.
This beat ice cold, look how I ride this Zamboni. I feel like old Tiny, good anywhere you throw me. She eat a Chobani, cause her body getting bony. Late night, heavy scrolling, vape light, heavy.
Okay, we're leaving everything inside of there, but once again, can't say anything.
Come on! Alright, we're back in Barcelona because we're going out for dinner. So I wanted to answer the question on who is an iMac for and what is the point of an iMac if you've got a MacBook that you can just travel with it. At the end of the day, an iMac is a desktop, and a desktop is really useful for a lot of different people. It's just a great desktop to have for a family household. Your kids can do homework on it, they can watch movies, they can game on it. Parents can reply to emails, FaceTime, video calls. It's just a really good desktop to have. It's also great for retail, for stores. I've seen the iMac in so many different stores, and I guess I describe the iMac as such a beautiful device. It comes in such beautiful colors, at least the yellow I'm obsessed with. I love the blue one as well. I love all of them. And if you just put an iMac in a home, in an apartment, in a store, it just makes a living room, for example, just pop in color. It's just a very beautiful device to have. Talking about things looking good, the Barcelona Christmas lights, I'm obsessed. Guillem, thank you so much for the birthday present, but it's a bit small, so I have to go change it. I got it. Yes. All right, dinner is at 9 p.m. and it's 9:05. There was a very, very long line, so I'm probably gonna get a taxi to get there.
Yo he propuesto una variante de la amigo invisible. Ha funcionado, familia.
It's not actually his birthday. ¿Para quién le recomendarías un iMac?
Alguien que no se quiera complicar para tenerlo mejor. Potencia y un diseño brutal que va a quedar siempre súper bien allá donde lo pongas y que incluso, aunque sea un iMac, si en un momento determinado lo tienes que mover en casa, por ejemplo, del salón a la cocina o a otro sitio, es muy sencillo, un cable.
Muy bien, opino igual.
And I think that's also a very good point. Like, I said it was for families or for businesses as well, but reality is that now the iMac has the M1 and now the M3 chip on the newer version. So it's now way beyond just a standard desktop computer. Like, it now truly is like a pro desktop computer for most people, even for video editors. Like, for most of us content creators here, the M3 iMac is more than enough, right? We're always talking about the M2 Max and M3 Max, whatever, right? So I think the M3 iMac is for way more people than what people think it actually is.
Bye.